everyone, this is Tracy from Lavinia Stamps, and we're going to be using another one of our stencils today to create a background using our gel press and the acrylic paints, alcohol inks and our brayer. So the colours I'm going with today are tinned peas, chalk, and then the alcohol ink we're going to use mushroom. So starting with the tinned peas, I'm just going to pop that down on one side and then the chalk on the other. And then I'm just going to blend that down over the top of the gel press and just blend those colours in so I don't get that definite line down the middle. So just blend it a little bit more and we're good to go. Okay, so this is the stencil we're going to be using, so I'm going to pop that down over the top. Okay, so I'm going to roll that over the top, and this will then take the paint back off in the exposed areas. I'm putting a little bit of pressure on. Okay, now going back to the alcohol ink, this is mushroom. I'm going to pop a little bit down on my mat and then using the smoothie on the right side that I've used before on mushroom, I'm going to just pick that up and then gently just dab that over the top. Just work my way up the gel press, making sure that I've covered all those areas. So we're going to use a little more. Okay, so I think that's pretty much covered, and now I'll just lift that stencil off, pop that over into the water so it's much easier to dry come the time I need to give it a bit of a clean. And let's just check that this is dry. Because the layers are thin, they do dry quite quickly, so I think we're ready to go on that. Okay, so let's go with the Antarctic. Pop a little down. Don't need a lot. And then we just simply blend that colour over the top of our stencil image. A nice thin layer. And we can see that pattern coming through the gel press, and that tells me how thin that is, which is perfect for taking a print. So bob that down, I'm going to smooth that over with the back of my hand. And let's see what we've got. We've got another really fabulous background there, nice and subtle. So we can stamp over the top of that because it's not too intense. So we'll just pop that to the side a minute, let that dry, and then we'll stamp over the top. And this time I'm going to be inking up Zelith. I know that I used this stamp last week, but you know what it's like when you get a new stamp, you kind of use it again and again with different backgrounds. And I think this one, Zelith and Jolanda, is probably my two favourite at the moment, so I just like trying different things with them, really. So make sure that she is completely covered. We want all that detail coming out. And then we're going to pop her down on the card, like so. Give her a good press. We need to get all that detail. I'm hoping that will come out okay. Yeah, great. We are going to be having these for sale. I think we'll have them in stock this week actually, so but we'll let you know. But they are a great they're a great thing to actually stamp with. I quite like them. I didn't think I would, because I quite like the grip on the Perspex blocks, but these are really easy to use, especially with the big stamps, and you get a really good result with them. So I've ordered some of those in anyway. Okay, so let's have a look at what Distress Oxides we've got here. I think I need quite a dark one. Let's just have a look at this colour. That's too green. Maybe the brown. Let's have a look, see what that's like on the edge here. Not too sure. Let's try the blue. Yeah, I think this is the better colour actually. More like the sea. And just go over that colour down here. So this one, sorry, is Blueprint Sketch. So yeah, I'm glad I changed my mind to this one. I think this one works really well. Okay, actually I'm going to use a little bit of this around the edge of the mermaid, just to make her stand out a little bit more. It just pulls the image out as soon as you add that dark colour around the edge. I'm doing this quite quickly, but you can take your time going around the edge. It's lovely just sort of painting. It's quite therapeutic. I just tend to switch off completely. I do love this blue. It's a great blue. Okay, so that's really kind of pulled her out now. And I think we're just, all we need with that really is a little bit of glitter. So I'm going to use the glue pen, and we'll just literally just dot a line over her scales, and then a little on her tail, and we'll pop a little in her hair as well. Now, as always, the finer glitter does tend to stick to what's already on there anyway, so, and I always think it looks great, so sprinkle that over the whole thing. Tap off. Yeah, and there we go. It's stuck to her. So if the ink is still wet, that fine dusting of glitter will stick to her, but I think that looks amazing. I love it when the glitter sticks to the black. Hope you can see that under the light there. And that's just a really nice simple card with your stencil background. Doesn't need anything more. So I hope you enjoyed that demo anyway. Thanks for joining me again, and speak to you real soon. Take care guys, bye for now.